Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm back to blonde, and I love this. Is such a cute blonde. I haven't seen one like this before, or I haven't tried one like this before. It has some highlights or lowlights in it. It has a bit of like grayish or like a toned blonde, but it's so cute. Love it. Has a little bit of root going on, and actually installed fairly like easily. It was just a little bit too small for me, but that's an easy fix. So for the details of this wig, this is a 24-inch blonde highlight straight wig. It's a 13x4 lace front, and it is transparent lace. It's not HD lace, but I was still able to make it work, so that's no problem at all. As long as you have some tints, you are good to go. But it feels really soft right now, and I'm excited to wear it for the rest of the week. And yeah, enough of me talking. If you guys want to see how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just doing the regular bald cap. This is actually one that I get from Amazon, and I like it a lot. I feel like it's sheer enough, like it's way more sheer than like the regular wig caps that you might get with your wigs. This one. Alright, and I'm just going to use the Got To Be gel for the wig cap, and maybe on the corners I'll put some glue, but that's it. Now that it's all dry, I'm just cutting it up, and then I will be putting my foundation shade on it just to match it with my skin. Alright, so a little bit of foundation, and then I did end up putting foundation also on the inside, and I also use my tints. It's my Beauty by Delina Lace Tint Spray in the medium brown, and that's what I use for the inside. I don't have those out yet, but coming soon. One thing I'm gonna say is like this cap is pretty small. Good thing I braided down my hair, but I should still be able to make it fit. I just had to cut on the sides of the lace so that it can actually cover my hairline. Okay, I'm just gonna hot comb everything back. I didn't bleach the knots of this wig, but I did pluck it. And I feel like that should be good enough. I'm thinking like around here. Yeah, I don't know why they gave me such a small wig cap. Okay, I think I see where I'm gonna put the wig. So just using the eye pencil, I'm gonna make the marks. Don't even know how much more I can cut. Whatever, we'll make this work. And then now I'm just gonna use my Hold Active glue and do about 3 to 4 layers. Now I'm just going to straighten the hair with my Babyliss Titanium Pro Straightener. Alright, so this is what we're working with. It is super melted, looks so good. I was debating on putting any baby hairs, but I think I just will, just so it lasts a bit longer. Just right here and right there, like normal. This side is so far up, but gotta do what I gotta do. So first I hot comb them, a little hot. And pluck. Now I'm going to cut them. I don't want them too long. I'm using my K&K little flat iron, just going to curl them upwards. I'm going to try and see if this hairspray will work. If not, I'll just mousse it all up. Perfect. Literally just like that. Kind of hard to see on camera because with the color, because of the color of the wig, but it's perfect. I'm just gonna put a tad bit of the Got2b gel just to make sure it's really, like, it doesn't stick up. Just a little bit. Alright, and just like that, I'm pretty sure I'm done. Just getting a little bit of mousse and just putting it off the top. But I love how this came out. So cute. Such a nice blonde. I've never tried a blonde that has like gray in it like this, but so cute. And this is what it looks like. How cute. All done. Love the edges. Made it work even though this is so small on me, but you can't even tell. But yeah, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Comment below what you'd like to see next, and then subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.